Okay, so we have the motor for the x-axis installed, and the next motor to install is the y-axis right here. We're using a really slow motor here. This is a 1/2 RPM motor. We're using a 4 RPM motor here. Probably a 1 RPM is the best speed, but I like to use the slower speed because it has a little bit more strength. So let's go ahead and install this. And we'll turn it until it hooks. There we go. So once it hooks, it shouldn't spin on that axis. We want it to be perpendicular. And I'm going to move the tripod back a little bit so there we go. So it's not wiggling. That's about right. There's a little bit of play, but not much. Let's tighten the motor down a little more. There we go. There's no play there. It's really strong. Okay, so next up, let's go ahead and test out the motor. We've got our Servo City tester. All right. Let's go ahead and turn the dial. So we have no power for some reason. Oh, one of the sockets looks like it's came loose. There we go. So that's moving really slow, but it is moving. And I'm using a low RPM on purpose on that axis. It's the y-axis. It lifts really slow. The slower it goes, the more strength that it has, but it's probably optimal at about 1 RPM motor. This is a 1/2 RPM motor. There we go. So if we wait long enough, about a minute or two, this will come up. But we're good to go. We can see that the y-axis is working, the x-axis is working. The final step is the motor for the Z.
And we will extend the life of the International Space Station, likely by more than 5 years, while actually using it for its intended purpose, conducting advanced research that can help improve the daily lives of people here on Earth, as well as testing and improving upon our capabilities in space.